Hello everybody, today we're in Titusville, Florida, and we're going to repair this stucco on this parapet wall. It's pretty bad, it's buckling really bad. Then we're going to put a decorative band across the top of it. We're not going to paint this one, the owner's going to paint it himself. So we're going to get it opened up and show you why the stucco failed on this. Okay everybody, we got some of the stucco taken off already. You can see, still got that little bit to go. Got some rotted wood up in here. We'll have to replace the plywood. Mainly the issue is the stucco is just too thin. As you can see, it's maybe half an inch. Coat is 7/8. You know, you get a buckle in it, and then water gets in behind it, and it rusts out the lath. And then water gets in behind it and rusts out, makes the wood rotted. Alright, so we got the plywood replaced and the lath on. Next step is the scratch coat. Okay everybody, we got it stuccoed and we got the band put on, styrofoam band. We're on to the next one.